Hey there, fellow spreadsheet enthusiasts. Welcome back to another quick and practical tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to rename columns in Google Sheets 2025. Whether you're a beginner organizing your first budget sheet or a pro streamlining data analysis, renaming columns can make your spreadsheets way more readable and efficient. Let's dive right in. First off, why bother renaming columns? Well, by default, Google Sheets labels columns with letters like A, B, or C, but custom names like expenses or customer names help you spot what you're looking for instantly. Plus, with the 2025 updates, Google Sheets has made this even smoother with better interface tweaks for mobile and desktop users. To get started, open your Google Sheets document. Head over to the sheet where you want to make changes. Now, locate the column you wish to rename. Typically, you'll edit the header row, which is usually the first row. Step 1. Click on the cell in the header row of the column you want to rename. For example, if it's column B, click on cell B1. Once selected, simply type in your new name, like sales data, and hit enter. That's it, your column is now renamed. But wait, there's more. If you're dealing with frozen headers or protected sheets, make sure you're not in edit mode for protected cells. Google Sheets 2025 version also allows bulk renaming if you have multiple columns. Select the range of header cells, right-click, and choose Edit, or use the formula bar for advanced tweaks. A quick tip: always use descriptive names to keep your data organized and avoid confusion, especially in shared documents. This can save you tons of time during collaborations. There you have it. Renaming columns in Google Sheets is straightforward and powerful. Give it a try on your next project and watch your productivity soar. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips. What's your favorite Google Sheets hack? Drop it in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.